Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am excited to announce that I am going to be the guest designer for Mini Kit Monday Challenge group on Facebook. Yeah, so excited. Anyway, Shannon Allure, she's crafty here on YouTube, is the one who issued the challenge this month, and it's based on St. Patrick's Day, and I don't think I have anything St. Patrick's in here. But yeah, I do have one picture I can think of that might work for it, but that's it. And I might do it as a bonus and pull something in that'll go with it. But yeah, because I could use like that green maybe with it. But anyway, um, it's a pot of gold. So you got $25 for your entire kit, and anything gold is free. I don't have anything gold laying here because I couldn't think of anything gold that would go with these. But since it's free, I'll bring it in later if I think about it. Okay, first thing is pattern paper for $3, and you can only spend 25. And I decided I was going to pull in this paper right here. It's Photoplay My Imagination. I've had it a couple of years. I ordered it for one picture that I thought it would go so cute with, and it did, and I made the one layout, and you can tell I made something with this. And I don't think I've touched it since. But, yeah, I thought I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to do some layouts with it, because I've got quite a few pictures probably that will go with this. Anyway, so for pattern paper, I checked it. It's $3. And I do have pattern paper here. And I'm going to try to pick this up so you can see it. I put in a wood grain that wasn't in here. And yeah, but it's almost the entire collection left. Like I said, I only did one layout, I think. So that's $3. And then it has cardstock stickers, which I have the ones that go with it. And that's another $3. Oh, and here I got more pattern paper. I added this one too. It was Bella Boulevard, and I thought I'd go with that. Cardstock is $2. So I've got quite a bit of cardstock. I've got green, red, blue, and white, of course. So that's $2. And so I'm up to $3, $6, $7, $8. It goes fast when you're spending it. The next thing is puffy stickers, and I have quite a few choices here. Well, let me get the enamel to the side because we're on puffy. Okay, these are all puffy, and it's a variety because the pictures I have laid aside are a variety of interests. So, yeah, I've got a variety here. I'm certainly not going to use all of them. I better mark this. Puffy stickers are only $2. Then it says alphas and thickers. So I believe they're on the bottom. This goes with field trip. But there's a couple in here that the colors go. Some don't, but there is a couple that does. And then I have a variety of thickers to go with it. And then it says, oh, it says alpha stickers. Okay. But then it says flat alpha. So I've got these. And since it don't have anything for plain stickers, these are flat stickers. And flat alphas are stickers. This is old. Liz, Tin Lizzie on YouTube gave this to me a long time ago, but it's one of those you get off the roll. And so yeah, it's old. And I'm going to try to go ahead and use one at least of this. I thought they were cute when she gave them to me, but I have never used them. But I think I've got a picture they might go with. So they're in here because that's a challenge to use them because I've had them a while. And so flat alphas is $2. And then it says die cuts. I am going to go ahead and mark it, but I don't have them here because I'm going to cut them as needed because I'm not sure which ones I want. I thought, I don't want to cut them all and just have them sit here and use up my cardstock. So I'm going to cut them as needed, so I'll have my cardstock to spread out. So I'm marking it for $3. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my goodness. I got wood veneer for $2. So that's 20. And enamel dots, sequins, and nouveau. That's all of these right here. So that's $3. 23. Then it says washi. I don't have any washi. I don't have any flare. Stamps or ink, rub-ons, texture paste, or bows. So, I think I already counted the cardstock. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23. Anyway, it leaves $2. So for $2, I'm going to add this one because this is a goal of mine to get some stitches on some pages. So I am putting thread here for my $2. So I'm up to 25. So it's a total of $25 that you're allowed to spend. And I seen on Facebook where somebody had added something for $1. But yeah, that's my goal. I've been putting it with everything lately, so I'll try to remember to use it. And I'm leaving it on my desk, so I'll remember to do the stitching. So it is going to stay right here on the desk. It's not going nowhere, so I can remember to use it. But there's my $25. And so it's fun going through this list. And I mean, like right here, it's like a big gap where I didn't use any of those things. But yeah, I'm going to have so much fun with this. And I want to thank all the gals from the Mini Kit Monday group for inviting me. Challenge group, Mini Kit Monday challenge group, because there's a challenge. Because this is the challenge to use this kit. And it's Becky, Tracy, Dolly, Kathy, Daisy, Leslie, and Shannon who did the challenge. But thank you so much for inviting me. And everybody, make sure you come back here every Monday so you can get in on the challenge and see what I create. And you can go to the Facebook group and post yours. And there's a drawing. They'll draw somebody for that. If you show your kit and then your layout every Monday, you can get in on a drawing to see who wins for the month. But thank you all so much for watching. And if you want to leave a comment, it'll be down. You can leave it down below and I'll get back at you. And if you liked the video, hit a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And thank you so much to all my subscribers that I currently have. But I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week. Bye.